Very nice talks from young investigators.
Great speakers, it's been really interesting.
It's excellent, it's very good.
I saw a lot of nice researchers and it was interesting.
I think that the general topic of this year, which is diabetes and cardiovascular diseases, is a link between cardiologists, nutritionists and diabetologists, and this is precisely the purpose and the aim of our institute.
The combination of heart and metabolic situation as diabetes analyzed from a base, let's say a basic standpoint and a clinical standpoint together with translational research in between is the way that science should progress in the future.
You can find clinical scientists, pure scientists, and really working together in the cardiometabolism, which is the future. So understanding the link between obesity, longevity, diabetes and inflammation is really strategies which we'll see clinicians and biologists working together for the next decades.
I think that the organizing of the meeting have done a really great job by doing a good mix between more basic scientists and clinical oriented scientists. As an example, the first speaker of my session talked about safety of drug, and the second speaker brought more basic question around the incretin hormone, which may lead to novel treatment in a few years.
I'm convinced that 80% of cardiac diseases relate to metabolic disturbances. And if we do not treat the metabolic disturbances, we are not going to be able to master certain manifestations of cardiac diseases.
It is important because young scientists are involved, so there is this interesting sharing of knowledge between older scientists and very young scientists.
I saw that young PhD students, for instance, were allowed to come in here and give presentations of what they are doing. That is fantastic.
It's a great privilege to get to share findings with, such renowned people in the community and people from all over the world that have traveled.
There will be a ICAN Series number 3, and for this one we plan to focus a bit more on what brings the omics approach, and I mean by that genomics, epigenetics, probably other omics such as metabolomics and metagenomics.